I've been posting on LinkedIn for over a year. My account has grew to the point where I'm actually getting the leads from it. But the embarrassing truth is that I have never really knew why some posts blew up and others completely flopped. I was just guessing. So I decided to stop guessing and let AI do all full analysis of my LinkedIn performance data, and what it surfaced in about few minutes genuinely changed how I am going to approach content going forward. Let me show you exactly what I did. First, you need a LinkedIn account that has some post history, ideally at least a few months of consistent posting. The more data you have, the better the analysis will be. If you're just starting out, this is still worth bookmarking because you will want to do this once you have built up some posts and have decent analysis. Now, LinkedIn gives you a built-in analytics view. You can go to your post impressions and get a nice looking preview of how things are performing. But the problem, it doesn't tell you why certain posts perform better than others. It won't analyze your hooks, your topics, your content style. It just shows you raw numbers that doesn't tell you anything. Here's how to export your data. First, you have to choose the amount of time you want to export. I just added past 365 days, and let's just click export. And what LinkedIn will do, it will just give you an Excel file with raw performance data. So you can see the discovery, the engagement and dates, top posts with links. This is super important. Follower count, demographics. Now go to chat.ajelix.com. That's the tool we're going to use. It's an agentic AI chat built for exactly this kind of analysis. Upload your Excel file directly into the workspace. I'm just going to use the drag and drop functionality, and here is the Excel file that I just uploaded. Okay, and we need to insert a prompt. So the prompt is something like this. So analyze the LinkedIn post performance in Excel I added, which is called content, and provide me with the insights and tips on what should I focus on based on the performance, and also provide me with the dashboard I can view and analyze. As the Excel file included links, we need to enable web search so AI is able to access the post and to analyze the content in each post to give more detailed analysis. Let's just click send. The AI will go through every post, identify the patterns across your hooks, content types, and will pull engagement signals. And this is the part that's genuinely useful. It builds you an interactive visual dashboard right inside the chat. No exports, no copy pasting into Google Sheets, done in seconds. AI has finished creating the dashboard, and this is how it looks like. So we can see the monthly impressions versus engagement, engagement rate, audience by industry. Okay, so these are pretty basic analysis, but what I love the most is like these top 10 posts by impressions, because he has categorized hook types. So there is like contrast, paradox, milestone, news, question, reflections, and how to blueprints. And we can just go through here and understand what is performing the best, and also the inside part, what works and what doesn't. Controversial, observation hooks, sarcasm, and raw honesty works the best. Hiring, of course, and company growth announcements, so that's pretty basic. This is what feels different from just staring at a spreadsheet myself, because once you see your data laid out visually and everything is just connected in one picture, patterns become obvious on what you have to focus on versus what you think really works out, because data just tells you the story, and then it's your part to actually do something about it. This is a super basic workflow, but if you have never done a proper analysis of your LinkedIn content, this is where I would start. You can try it yourself at chat.ajelix.com. There's a free tier available, no credit card needed. Give it a shot and let me know in the comments what insights it surfaces for your account. And if you want to see what I do next with this data, let me know and I will make that video too.